Hi guys, welcome. In this video, we will model this part. Let's start. First, we open a new part, and in the front plane, I will create a sketch. I pick from here a circle with a diameter of 40. Then we go to extrude space. I change the direction of extrusion. Here I put 70. Here I activate thin feature. I change direction, it will be inward, so our sketch will be the leading outer diameter. So here I can say 4 and close this operation. This is what we want. I select chamfer, 0.5 chamfers inside and outside. If you select faces, the edges which is touching on that face will be also chamfered. If you want, you can select individual edges also. So front plane here, and we open a new plane, and it will be in the 6 mm distance with respect to our front plane. Then in this new plane I create a sketch. I convert this edge as a new sketch on this plane. So then we go to Helix and we create a revolution of 0.25 and 232 pitch and helix. So where is the 232 coming from? Because I want to have in this height one only 25, 0.25 the circle revolutions, and if you deduct both planes, I want to make this from middle symmetric. 6 minus by 72 multiplied by 4, because you need to have full length, and that becomes your pitch. So in this way we created this. Start angle is 0 and this is okay. Now I create here a sketch, and here I will create a center rectangle. So what you can do, you can have a line and combine to this helix and convert this to a construction geometry. Click the helix and click to your point while control pressed, and then you make pierce. So you are at the point of where helix starts now, and then we can put on this point a rectangle with this center rectangle. Our width is 10. So once this is done, we should make sure that this is bigger than where we are cutting, so we can constrain, which is fine, and then we close this operation. Now we select swap cut. This is the profile that we're gonna cut, and then we say OK. So at the end you get this. If you are here already, this is 90% of the modeling operation. So we got fillet. The last operation will be selected full round fillet. That will need 3 successive surfaces, and with this you can create here this nice rounding shape, and then you can go fillet one more time, repeat same operation for this point. Yes, once you are done with this, you go to circular pattern, you select a circular surface, and I will create here 8 times this cut slot that radiuses as well. So this was it. Yes guys, we are done. I hope you could follow it. It's a very simple part, not maybe for beginners, but it is a very nice example. You see a lot of things. You see you creating a plane and cutting with a sweep and helix, and yeah, a special way of filleting. Yeah, thanks. If you like it, hit the like button, make a comment. See you in another video.